The underwater domain is rapidly becoming a high-volume, high-uncertainty data environment. Sensors, acoustics, satellite systems, and robotics generate continuous data streams that cannot be effectively used without analytics and AI. Welcome to the 6-month training course in AI and data analytics for underwater domain awareness. This program bridges the gap by combining core machine learning concepts with domain knowledge of the underwater, coastal, and freshwater environments. You will master core modules like machine learning for UDA, basics of the underwater domain, underwater radiated noise management, sediment management, and digital transformation for coastal and riverine communities. The training is delivered through a blended model. You get the flexibility of structured e-learning modules combined with weekly mentor-led technical sessions. Then you'll step into the field with a 2-week on-site training for hands-on laboratory exposure. Throughout the program, you'll tackle an individual project aligned with real data sets and operational challenges. High-performing projects may be extended into publishable research work, supporting MSc or PhD preparedness. Whether you're a student planning higher studies, an early professional seeking domain specialization, or an individual aiming to work at the intersection of AI, environment, and maritime systems, this is where you start. Register now and apply with us today.